Open up the window, I'm breathing in the last of September. I can feel the wind blow, and the late summer sky is like a giant ember. Everything is turning into gold.
Hey guys, I want to show you what I got for this year's potluck so people know what food it is, if there's anything in it, you know, stuff like that, and who made it. So I picked these up. They're little stands. There's about 50 of them, and you can write on them, erase them. There's also stickers too if we need more. So that way you can put your channel name or your name and what it is, so people aren't running around and asking, hey, what is this again? So I'll be bringing them up for the meetup for our potluck there. So just want to kind of show you what's new.